Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the OneDrive error code 0x80071129 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And this error message reads that an unexpected error is keeping you from moving the file. If you continue to receive this error, you can use the error code to search for help with this problem. Error 0x80071129. The tag present in the reparse point buffer is invalid. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'm going to have some text in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it and then open up the search menu, paste it in to the search menu. If you don't see a link or anything else to click on in here, I'm going to have a secondary command or text. So this is going to be for the C drive. If your Windows installation is on a different drive, you might have to select that instead. So we're going to go ahead and open that up here to run that command. Just basically going to reset OneDrive. And then that's pretty much all you have to do. And you may have to sign back into OneDrive once it's done restarting, but that's pretty much about it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.